Hi guys! Magandang araw and welcome back sa aking munting channel. So for today's episodes, may challenge sa akin. At eto, pinadalang recipe. Lutuin daw natin at i-vlog itong stir fried chicken pineapple sweet savory. Ang tanong, kakayanin ko kaya? Well, titingnan natin. Kahit wala tayong chef skill, may lahi naman tayong Kapampangan. Kaya tara guys, let's do this! Okay, so first thing first, let's check out the ingredient. Will we need, basahin natin ang recipe. Ayon dito sa recipe, kailangan natin ng chicken, any kind of parts, pwedeng wings, pwedeng legs, at 1 cup pineapple, pwede yung nakalata, o tidbits, it's up to you. 1/4 cup of soy sauce, brown sugar, ito para sa tamis. You can adjust based on your taste. 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. So kung wala tayong rice vinegar, pwede na yung ordinaryong suka. 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 2 cloves garlic na tinadtad natin, optional pero masarap. Meron din tayong ginger, ginadgad natin, optional din pero ito mag-a-add ng flavor. Tapos siyempre gagamit tayo ng mantika. Okay, so let's get started. First, we need marinate the chicken. I'm just mixing the chicken wings in the bowl with soy sauce, brown sugar and cornstarch, rice vinegar or ordinary vinegar, sesame oil, at siyempre yung ating garlic at saka itong ating ginger. Huwag kalimutan yung luya o ginger kung gusto nating ng extra kick. Marinate lang natin to for at least 30 minutes. Or kung may time ka, pwede mong i-refrigerate ng mas matagal para ma-absorb ng chicken yung flavor. So pwede tayong magdagdag ng paminta. Lagyan natin ng paminta. Habang nakamarinate yung chicken, inaantay natin yung time. Magpapainit na tayo ng ating cooking oil using wok kasi mas mabilis magluto at crispy pa. But kung wala kayong wok, pwede na yung malaking pan. So now, kapag ganitong majinit na yung ating mantika o cooking oil, pwede na nating ilagay itong ating minarinade na chicken wings. Stir fry lang daw hanggang maging golden brown. Mabilis lang to, mga 5 to 7 minutes. At kapag medyo crispy na siya, it's ready for the next step. Now, ito na yung pan part. Let's add the pineapple. Haluin lang natin for 2 to 3 minutes. Dapat yung pineapple slightly softened pero hindi masyadong malambot. Huwag daw natin masyadong overcook kasi magiging masi siya. Much better na may konting crunch pa. O ayan, ready na siya. Pwede na tong tirain. Ayan, ready na siya. Pwede na tong tirain. So, time to taste test. Moment of truth. Oh my gosh. Amoy pa lang. Mukhang masarap na. Let's see kung gaano siya kasarap. Okay, ready na to. Tirain na to. Moment of truth. Sweet and savory. At may konting hint ng tangy flavor mula sa vinegar at yung pineapple. Perfect na combo with the chicken. Wow. Kanyama na. Bala mo mengan kaking restaurant. Oh. So, ayan, mga guys, that's how you make stir-fried chicken wing with pineapple. Madali lang siya. Kaya kung gusto nyo pa ng mga ganitong recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. Kung ano pang mga recipes ang gusto nyong itry ko next time. Hanggang sa muli sa susunod na episodes. Bye-bye!